Hi, I'm Edward, and this is my homemade musical instrument. Many people ask me how it sounds when we press two or more keys at the same time. So let's find out. But first, I want to show you how this instrument works. On the other end of each key, there is a string attached. When we press a key, the string goes up and starts to vibrate. A laser is placed on the one side of the instrument. The laser beam passes over all the strings and finally reaches a photocell. When we press the keys, the strings go up and block the laser beam. Because the strings vibrate, they block the beam with the frequency of their vibration. The photocell detects these light pulses and converts them into electrical signals. But what happens if you press a few keys at the same time as we play on the piano? Yes, it sounds terrible. When we press a few keys, the strings block the laser beam too much. We can't hear the vibration of each of the strings clearly. But there are some exceptions. Sometimes you can press several keys at the same time. I'm not a musician and I can't show you the best examples. You can press the same note from two different octaves. It doesn't make a very bad sound, it's just more distorted and more angry sound. And it can be used in certain cases and in certain styles of music. You can also play notes together that are harmonious. Of course, these sounds have to be placed in the context of a specific song and a specific style of music. For me, it sounds more like a hard rock style. I'm not the right person to show you good examples of using a few keys on this instrument, but we should think of this musical instrument as a bass guitar connected to distortion effect. It's not like a piano.